Good morning, class. I hope you are fine since the last time we met. I will start by taking the roll call of the class. We have Lynette Miloa,
Present.
Cecilia Wamboi.
Present.
So today we are going to discuss on sleeping sickness. Margaret, can you tell me what causes sleeping sickness?
It is a disease caused by a parasite known as Tsetse.
Yeah, it is caused by it is a parasitic disease that is caused by Tsetse fly, and it gets its nickname because of the symptoms that cause disturbed sleeping patterns. So we our objective today is to study the disease trypanosomiasis. Number two, we know how it is transmitted. Number three, diagnosis. Number four, the recommendations. Number five, treatment, and number six, control. And Lynette, can you tell us what sleeping sickness is and the parasite it's caused?
The parasite for sleeping sickness is Trypanosoma brucei.
Yes, Trypanosoma brucei and Trypanosoma brucei gabiense and Trypanosoma brucei rhodesiense. Those are found in Western African. Transmission process. There are various methods that one can get the sleeping sickness. It is transmitted by one the mode of bites from tsetse fly. Cecilia, would you tell us another way sleeping sickness is transmitted? Okay, it is transmitted through also from mother to child in the fetus as the parasite can cross the placenta. It is through contaminated needles of trypanosomes, and the last one is through sexual intercourse. Then we have the symptoms of trypanosomiasis. There is the hemolytic stage. It is stage one. Somebody to take us through the first stage, Cecilia.
Hemolytic shortly after the metastasis. Activate central nervous system, progressive confusion, personality changes, and other neurological problems occur after infection has invaded the central nervous system in bracket second stage. If left untreated, the illness becomes worse.
Yes, thank you. So the first stage, hemolytic stage, is shortly after metacyclic trypomastocysts enter the body and multiply under the skin. An inflammatory reaction occurs. This causes swelling of the skin and enlargement of the lymph nodes in the neck. The immune response results in the symptoms such as fever, headaches, joint pains, and itching. Then, stage two, it invades the central nervous system, which causes progressive confusion, personality changes, and other neurologic pains problems which occur. That is, the second stage affects the neurology in the nervous system. The stage three, we have the African trypanosomiasis, which is causes death. That is the last stage. And then we have the diagnosis of sleeping sickness. It can be diagnosed using various methods. Margaret, can you read out the methods of diagnosis of the disease?
We have microscopic, then we have concentration techniques, serological test, parasite culture, and molecular diagnostic techniques.
Yeah, we have microscopic through the use of microscope examination of the blood. We have concentration techniques, that is the centrifuge to examine the Buffy coat. We have serological test to detect antibodies to trypanosoma parasites in the blood. Then we have the parasite culture, and we have molecular diagnostic techniques through the use of DNA. Prevention and control. To prevent, one, you need to prevent not to get bites from the tsetse fly, and you are supposed to class. Cecilia, maybe you can read out what you are supposed to do. What to do. If you have there is technical challenges. So one, you can wear long sleeved clothes to minimize skin exposure. You can wear neutral clothes since tsetse flies like bright colors. You can use repellent to curb tsetse fly infestation. Then the control, it is through the use of population screening of the tsetse flies, use of insecticides to kill the insects, deploying traps and screen to reduce flies. And we have come to the end of our lesson, and I thank you very much because of your cooperation. And Margaret, can you tell us what we've learned today?
We have learned that sleeping sickness is brought about by a parasite, and the way we can prevent is by wearing long sleeved clothes.
Yes, thank you. Any other person with any inputs? So I'm going to give you an assignment, and the assignment will be to draw and label the life cycle of trypanosoma parasites. And when we meet for our next lesson, you need to have that assignment with you, since it will account for your cat 1 marks. Thank you very much for your cooperation. We meet next time, same time, same place. Thank you.